Hi, this is Chanel Jones from Savvy Taxes, and what I'll be doing today is showing you how to use our mobile tax app. So when you download our link, which is what you'll see here at the top, this is what it'll look like on your phone. So Savvy Taxes will come up and give you instructions on how to actually download our app. So I'll give you an example right now. First, enter your phone number. Enter an email address. Enter your first name and your last name. And your referral code is optional. So you'll just hit continue. Here it says, thank you for registering. Please check your phone for a text message with a download link for the Taxes to Go app. So you are complete here. You want to go out to the to the phone number that you used, and then you'll see a text message. Thank you for requesting the tax app. Then what you do is go ahead and click the link. It says, thank you for requesting the Taxes to Go app. To get started with Savvy Taxes, tap the link below to get the app and use your or use your email address to sign up. So we're going to go ahead and hit the link to download the tax app. This is what it'll look like on your phone. It's definitely coming directly from your Apple Store, or I believe it's Google Play for Android. Just to let you know, it may look a little different on an Apple phone versus an Android. So as long as you're clicking that link, you are all set to go, and you will be uploading your information to Savvy Taxes, no matter if it looks one way on your phone and a different way on your friend's phone. So we're going to start with the email address that you entered the first time. And then hit submit. Now you're creating your account, right? So definitely make sure you keep all the information the same, or there's a possibility you may not be able to enter your information. Now, with creating your account, remember you're using the same link, you're using the same number and the same email address. And now you want to create a password, something that you can remember. Something I'm making up. Agree to the terms. Of course, you can go ahead and click license agreement, privacy policy. Once you agree to the terms, then you can go ahead and create your account. It's going to send a verification code to the to the number that you sent or that you set your account up with. So what you can do is go ahead and log out, go to that same number, get the verification code. This is 118233. And we're going right back to the tax app, guys. Wherever it's at. Oh, there it goes. 118233. There we go. Now you can just follow the prompts. It says, let's get started. And just simply read what your next steps are. So we're going to go ahead and hit continue. You can swipe here. Here, it lets you know you have the availability. Some items will not be available until your preparer enables them. It's just letting you know what to expect when you are exploring the app and uploading your information. Push notifications. Now, when you're enabling this, you're really just reading, guys. It says your preparer can keep you up to date on your tax return status, as well as any information needed to complete your return. And so there you go. We're going to allow these things. And then the first thing you want to do is start uploading your information. So I'm not going to use real information in this sample, but I will show you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so it says ready to start your tax return. Click get started. Now, if these things apply to you, then you can go ahead and choose it. If it don't, then you don't, right? So it's asking about your marital status. Were you married as of December 31st? As I'm going to keep it simple and put no, although I am. And information about you, the taxpayer. So you can select which person you're entering. We're going to do the taxpayer. If you were married, it would have taxpayer and then it would have spouse. So with this, it's going to ask you to scan your driver's license. So let me see if I can get away with something that's not a driver's license. Because of course I'm not going to put my information in there. Okay, so what I'll do is hit scan. I'll just give you an example of what it's going to do. Let me see, I have the calculator here. So when you hit scan, you run it over the information. It will take a scan of your driver's license, okay? And once it does that, it automatically uploads it, and don't have to do anything, sorry. It's going to ask you to flip it on the back, and then it'll scan it, and it'll upload to the app. So right now, we're just going to go ahead and hit skip. This is where you start entering your personal information. And there you just really go ahead and, here we go, follow the prompts. So I am going to do Chanel as a first name and Jones as my last name, as you all know. Let's do a birthday of January 1st of 1984. Now, normally this would already be filled in if you scanned your driver's license. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a couple of numbers. And then we're going to go ahead and issue a fictitious date. Okay. And then I'm going to enter an expiration date of okay. Then you can start entering your personal information. So let's say 1110 Sesame Street in Fishers, Illinois. And we're going to tap a zip code of 60523 and hit save. That's information about you. Now we're going to go ahead and continue and enter a number, a social security number, 85, let's see. Let's just do 2233. Now it comes time to upload your tax documents. Now with that being said, if you don't have a W-2, then you can skip it, but we'll go ahead and hit add. You can let us know, this is your income, not just a W-2. So if you have a W-2, if you have a 1099, or if you just have your business income and expenses, this is where you can add it. So W-2 is labeled, 1099 is labeled. You can choose other for your business income and expenses, okay? So I'll go ahead and choose other. And then go to camera. Now, if you already have these documents uploaded on your phone, then you can very well use that. So I am going to pretend like this. You know, I shop at UPS, y'all. I'm going to pretend like this is my W-2. So you're simply going to snap a picture and use the photo. That's pretty cool, huh, so far? Now it's processing this as a W-2. Now, I'm going to say I have no more documents, but if you do, you can go ahead and click add in the top right-hand corner. And then it says we need to snap a picture of the front of your driver's license for security purposes. Now, let's see if we can get away with using this same form. And we're going to use that photo and submit it. Now it's just taking a couple seconds to go ahead and upload on to the actual app. Okay, selfie time. Yes, everybody has to capture a face just so that we know who you are and who we're dealing with. Now, this app is designed specifically for people who do not come into your office. So you want to know who you're dealing with, and you want to verify information on an ID to the actual person who's submitting the information. So it's super important. Now, it doesn't matter if you're rocking a ponytail, if you're rocking a cut for the guys, if your hair is all over the place, if you have a bonnet. This is totally for your tax preparer, and I promise you, your tax preparer is all focused about the numbers and not on the way you look. So definitely take the edge off and go ahead and snap that picture. So for that selfie, no, that's a terrible one. We're going to actually do a picture of this as a selfie. How about boss lady? We're going to snap that picture and use that as a selfie. And no, we're not going to do that. We're going to hit cancel. Okay. So once that is complete, we can go ahead and hit continue. And then you can add on your dependents. Dependents are children. If you do have kids that you are claiming on your tax return, this is where you enter them. So you'll go ahead and click add. For now, I'm going to go ahead and skip it. And then it says, we need your contact number so your preparer can get in touch with you in case any additional information is needed. So you automatically have your number restored on here. You just hit continue. Okay, so every tax preparer needs your consent in order to file your personal income taxes or business. So this is a consent form for your tax preparer. Okay, so you can read through it, scan through it, and see all that it entails, and then you are able to go ahead. Your typing is your signature. So we are going to hit continue and grant your tax preparer, which is someone from Savvy Taxes office, permission to do your taxes. Hit continue, and voila, look at all of this good stuff. So you're going to scan through the information to make sure everything is correct. And once you hit submit, it's going to say congrats. You successfully uploaded your information and you hit continue. Simple as that, guys. Some apps you will see a 6-digit code. If you didn't get one, that's totally fine. But once you hit submit and it tells you congratulations, you have successfully uploaded your information directly to your tax preparer software, and you are complete until it's time to sign your documents. Now this chat button here, once it's actually submitted, if you hit it right here, you know it's not available. It's not available until your actual return is being worked on. So this is where you can definitely connect with your office, with the Savvy Taxes tax preparer, and let them know that you uploaded your documents so it can be a faster process. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this kind of like helped you. I had a lot of questions for this office. So kind of like it was a smooth transition to help answer questions about the app, on how to use it, and to give you just like a short tutorial on what to do. Again, thank you for choosing Savvy Taxes as your tax prep office. We do offer $25 incentives per person for each referral that you do send our way. We appreciate your business, and we definitely look forward to speaking with you soon.